Understanding Sustainable Finances, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very intriguing topic: sustainable finances. Whether you're managing personal finances, running a business, or just curious about economic sustainability, this video is for you. We'll explore what sustainable finances mean and why they are crucial for both our present and future. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind sustainable finances. Sustainable finances refer to the management of financial resources in a way that supports not only long-term economic growth but also considers environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. This concept emphasizes the importance of making financial decisions that are not only profitable but also responsible and beneficial to society and the environment. Whether it's investing in green technologies, supporting businesses that follow ethical practices, or simply managing personal finances in a way that contributes to a sustainable future, sustainable finances play a pivotal role. Sustainable finances rest on three main pillars: environmental, social, and governance. Let's break these down. Environmental. This pillar focuses on how financial decisions impact the natural world. It involves investing in renewable energy, reducing carbon footprints, and supporting companies that prioritize sustainability. Social. The social aspect considers how financial activities affect people and communities. This includes fair labor practices, supporting companies that promote diversity and inclusion, and investing in community development. Governance. Governance refers to the management structures, practices, and policies of companies. It emphasizes transparency, ethical decision-making, and accountability in businesses. Sustainable finances are vital for several reasons. They help ensure that our economic growth does not come at the expense of the environment or social welfare. By focusing on long-term sustainability, we can create a more stable and equitable economy. Additionally, sustainable finances can lead to innovation in green technologies and business practices, promoting a healthier planet and society. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of sustainable finances and its significance. As we've seen, making financial decisions with an eye towards sustainability is not just good for the planet and society, but it's also beneficial for the economic health and resilience of individuals and businesses. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Together, let's make a difference for a sustainable future.